Good evening, parents, guardians, students, and guests. I'm Ms. Alfred, the proud principal of James J. Ferris High School. I would like to take this time to welcome you to the new school year. Tonight, you will have the opportunity to follow your students' schedule. In this video, my administrative team and I will provide you information to assist you as you move about in the classrooms and also to ensure that you have a smooth transition this school year. Tonight, you will have the chance to follow your child's schedule, meet our wonderful teachers and staff, and learn about the great things that are happening inside and outside of the classrooms. Here at James J. Ferris High School, Student Voice Matter. I encourage you to download our app so that you can stay current on student life activities, stay constantly in communication with our teachers and staff, and also remain up to date with your prospective students' academic progress. Thank you and have a wonderful school year.
Muy buenas tardes a todos. Good evening, parents and guardians. Welcome to another academic school year of 22-23. Among the many things that I do here at Ferris, I'm proud to say that I'm in charge of scheduling and school events. This year, we've had a huge increase in our enrollment, and I like to think that it's because we are doing great things here at Ferris. We have a great diversity amongst our staff, our students, our school activities, our events, and even our academic programs, such as Leaps and Bounds, SLLD, ESL, VPA, and of course, we can't forget our 5 famous SLCs here at Ferris, our School of International Enterprise. Finance SLC, Marketing SLC, Office Management SLC, Hospitality and Tourism SLC, and Supply Chain and Demand SLC. I hope that when you leave here tonight, that you encourage your child to join a club, join a sport, be part of an activity here on campus, perhaps go to tutoring, partake in community service, and lastly, get involved with one of the many opportunities that we offer here at Ferris. For example, this year, we have a partnership with Liberty Science Center and Bank of America, which is only exclusive to our 11th graders. We really hope that our kids get involved here and do great things, because after all, that's what makes high school memorable. So we hope you have a great year, and we wish your child the very best here as well. Take care, and thank you for coming.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Emilio Pane. I'm one of the vice principals here at James J. Ferris High School. I'm in charge of business, mathematics, Leaps and Bounds, and ESLD program. Also, one of my major responsibility is the state testing that we are required to take. For example, Start Strong, PSATs, SATs, NJSLA, and NJGPA. If it comes to testing and state testing, you will contact me. If it comes to Leaps and Bounds and Leaps and Bound transportation, I'm here to support. I look forward to meeting you in person, and don't hesitate to always reach out, and we'll be here to answer your questions. Once again, good evening and welcome to the House of the Bulldogs.
Good evening, parents. My name is Mr. Ethan Norlander, and I'm the Acting Vice Principal of Discipline at James J. Ferris High School. As the administrator that oversees discipline, it is my responsibility to work with the administration, the faculty, support staff, and the security team to create a learning environment that is safe for your child and one that allows all students at FHS the opportunity to grow academically, socially, and emotionally. I work closely with the school's Student Life and Services Department to provide treatment, therapy, services, and support for those students that may require it. I co-chair the Iron Arrest Committee, where we look to identify students that are at risk and provide them with the necessary resources to help guarantee academic success. I write the 504 plans here at school for those students within our community that may need further accommodations due to health concerns. And I work closely with our security force to keep your kids safe and protected while they further their academic pursuits here at Ferris. Good luck to all the students and their families, and here's to a great year. Thank you.
Good evening, Ferris community. My name is Mr. Battle, and I'm the athletic supervisor here at James J. Ferris High School. I'm here to talk to you about our athletics program. In the fall, we have football, boys and girls soccer, girls volleyball, girls tennis, cross country for boys and girls, and esports. In the winter, we hold basketball for boys and girls, indoor track, boys and girls, bowling for boys and girls, as well as swimming for boys and girls. In the fall, we have baseball, softball, boys volleyball, boys tennis, outdoor track and field for boys and girls. Coming up, we have our homecoming game October 21st against Cliffside Park at Caven Point, 7 o'clock. We would love to see you come out to all our sporting events. See you then.